I'm Joe from Grand Brass Lamp Parts, and you're watching Lighting Television.
Did you know lamp parts have a gender and love to mate? Every matched pair of threads, external and internal, can be described as male and female, and mate by screwing them together. For example, a bolt has male threads, while its matching hole, whether in a nut or other fitting, has female threads. If we have two female parts we want to attach together, we use a nipple, pipe, or stem, which have male threads on both ends and will attach the two females together. If we have two male parts, such as two pipes or stems, and we want to join them together, we use a coupling or threaded neck, which have female threads on both ends and will attach the two males together. Slip-type female holes have no threads and allow the male thread to slip right through without the effort of turning them when screwing them together. They do not hold the male thread in place. When looking through our products, we specify properties in this way. When a size is followed by an F, such as 1/8 F, it will have a female thread. When a size is followed by an M, such as 1/8 M, it will have a male thread. When a size is followed by an SL, such as 1/8 SL, it will have slip-through thread. This property is called gender, and we love putting them together. Please visit us on the web at www.grandbrass.com. And to keep up to date with all the latest news and products that Grand Brass has to offer, like us on Facebook and check us out on Twitter at Grand Brass.